Today, I'm going to go over the lesson from yesterday, the study from yesterday, and which was the number 631. And the idea was that I'm trying to find patterns and connections within pi that don't seem to be arbitrary. They seem to be planned. There seems to be an intelligence in it. And so what I was pointing out yesterday is that 314, it's like 3.14, most people know what that means. They know that's the first few digits of pi. And so 314 is become known as to associate with pi. So if you count 314 digits into pi, you'll come to a 3 if you start from the 3. Okay, so like it's 3.14. If you start the first digit as 3, and then 2, the second is 1, the third is 4, like that, when you get to 314, you will get to a 3. But there's a dispute about where to start to count from. Some people don't count from the 3. Some people count from the 1. Only after the decimal point. Only after the 1 after the decimal point is the first number. But guess what happens if you count starting from the 1? You come to a 1. So that's very interesting. So 314 is symbolic of a pi, of a circle. And that when you get to 314, you come full circle, whether you start from the 3 or from the 1. And that is just fascinating. So that will be the number. It's basically 31. And that's 314 or 315, depending. What's interesting is that from the perspective of those who count it from 315, the next digit after that is actually a 5, so it's 315. So it's 314 1, but then it's 315. But then if you notice the digits, it's 631 558. So that's even more interesting. But anyways, I think it's enough to say for now. So the first 314 digits of pi, I count from the 3, but I also count from the 1. So we'll go to the 3 and the 1. How's that? 314 159 265 358 979 323 846 264 338 327 950 288 419 716 939 937 510 582 097 494 459 230 781 640 628 620 899 862 803 482 534 211 706 798 214 808 651 328 230 664 709 384 460 955 058 223 172 535 940 812 848 111 745 028 410 270 193 852 110 555 964 462 294 895 493 038 196 442 881 097 566 593 344 612 847 564 823 378 678 316 527 120 190 914 567. I'm sorry, 594. I mean 594. I'll just do it again tomorrow. 564. I'm sorry, 564 is what it was. I got too excited. I knew it was 564. You know, if I was in a challenge, if I was in a championship, they might have ousted me right now. But I know it was 564. You can read it on the sheet. It's 564. I just got flabbergasted. I know it's 564. Okay, you want me to start the line again? I'll start again. Okay. 527 120 190 994 564. See? I knew it the whole time, so I'm going to continue. It's not an out. It's only an out if I don't know it. 856 692 3460 34861 equals Rosh Hashanah and Beis Hamikdash. It does. That Matisyahu, by the way, which is actually the idea of Hanukkah time. They're saying the Midrash that whether it's literal or figurative, but they said that the oil that Yaakov used when he was there, last week's parsha, he anointed the rock with oil, right? So they connect that with the oil that was found in Hanukkah time, and since we're in the weeks preceding to Hanukkah, it's kind of correlated. But what's interesting is that Matisyahu, the hero, or one of the heroes of the Hanukkah story, the one who kind of started the revolution, he equals 861, which equals Beis Hamikdash, and where Yaakov was sleeping was like Har HaMoriah. I think they said it was the Beis Hamikdash, right? Yeah. And so then that equals also Rosh Hashanah, and Rosh Hashanah was the idea that if you missed Rosh Hashanah time, you went through all the high holidays, and you came to Sukkot and you missed it all. You can the final last thing is Hanukkah. It's so they all equal the same thing in American values. So that's where I'm in pi. It's actually J9. Okay, where was I? J9. 861. You know what? It's good. I think it's a good idea to do this every now and then because numbers are numbers, but if they mean something, then it's good. We're now to A10. Okay, 10th row. 0 4 5 4 3 2 6 6 4 8 2 1 3 3 9 3 6 0 7 2 6 0 2 4 9 1 4 1 2 7. I know two people who have a birthday right there. 1 2 7. Yeah. 1 2. Next parak. We're now on A11. 3 7 2 4 5 8 7 0 0 6 6 0 6 3. Okay, 3. This is the 314th digit if you started from the 3. 1. This is the 314th digit if you started from the 1. How's that? How's that for a coinkydink? Or really is it a coincidence? Or is it not a coincidence?